happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we've begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna read your feelings, I want to see you smile. Know that things are right to me. Know that things are right to me. I do. I want you to be happy. I want you to be happy. I'm left there with my thoughts. I'm an image of you being with someone else with a seat to me up inside. But we run our course, we pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can stay far away from